Maloy na thank you po sa pagpunta. Maraming salamat po.
Alright, once again, Blooms, let's give it up for our nation's girl, Group B! Okay, grabe yung performance nila ng bikini. Alam naman natin ang bongga. Oh, diba, guys? Nakikita nyo na ba yung bias nyo? Yes. Oh my gosh, congratulations, guys. Thank you so much for being here sa Penshop. Alam naman natin na sobrang busy nyo. And congratulations on everything. But before anything, meron tayong konting chika minute. Naririnig ko naman ako.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
perfect.
Loud and
Okay, so of course, Aya, you guys just released Unang Kilig a few days ago. So how does it feel that everyone here, you are going to, or everyone loves your new era?
Well, first of all, I think it's not, if other people would agree, pero for me, it's not like a new era. It's like a throwback kasi ang dami ko nakakita feedback din na parang it's like cousin, kumbaga, or relatively laggy, yeah. But it's nice to see the reception they have for Unang Kilig, and we hope that continuous lang yung love and support, you know, not just with our songs, but to each and every one of us, maybe po. Thank you so much.
I think we are all loving itong bagong era talaga ng Bini. And also, gusto ko malaman, Sheena, as our dancing machine, yes, as our dancing queen, ano